In Philippine news, the KDA machine Haji is now out of Twisted Minds. You know what time it is? Hands in. Haji has been a very stable mid laner. Considering na ang dami niya ng pinagdaanan in terms of his career pagdating sa mga roles, he has showcased being part of Twisted Minds na meron pa rin siyang leadership potential. And hindi nauubos yon kahit saang team pa siya na pumunta. Unfortunately for him, there might be some sort of retooling or revamping na ginagawa ang Twisted Minds and he's no longer included sa kanilang mga plano. Even though he was only part of the team for like at least one season dahil bago pa nga lang ang Twisted Minds sa MPL Philippines, I don't think he's going anywhere. He's not gonna go to a different country, that's for sure. He might even be coming back home to a familiar place. A place that seemed to originally be home way before his time there. Pero ang tanong ay kung sino-sino ba yung makakasama niya doon. There seems to be a lot of players going back to their roots. And it's quite fun kung ano yung ipapakita nila now being their evolved selves, now being their improved selves bago sila umalis dun sa kanilang mga original team.